But there is something about healing your heart this lifetime also. And that's the thing that's the bit that it feels like you've ignored, or you've sort of like have not crossed off the to-do list of this lifetime quite yet.
Okay.
So to be mindful, no, not mindful, that's not the right word. To like, it's hard for you to let people in. I think this, like, that betrayal and trust thing is coming up. Like, I don't know if you've had that happen to you this lifetime, or this is just purely from other lifetimes. It could very well be both, but there's something about not fully letting people in,
Hmm.
because yeah, there's been some like betrayal in the past. So you kind of keep to yourself emotionally, because you could be very social.
Hmm.
You know, you could be with lots of people you can interact with, but just sort of on a deeper, more emotional level.
Yeah, that has truth to it.
Yeah, it's like it's very hard for you. Or maybe like even when you, I don't know, I'm getting like 23. I don't know if when you were like in your early 20s, you like really like fell in love with someone and then just got your heart really broken.
Yeah, that sounds right. Yep.
Yeah. So it's like
So
at
now,
so at that moment, so it's like the way I'm feeling it is like you were so open, like there was such openness to your heart, and there was such like full like, oh my God, like I love this person, and like full 100% in. And then yeah, it didn't go that way. And you completely like you went like 100% the opposite way. Like you
just going through the motions in a relationship.
yeah. Yeah. Because you didn't want to, you were so open-hearted and it just got trashed. And you're like, I'm never doing that again.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, but there's something still before you leave this life in this, third act, whether it's with, I feel like this person, his name is in the currently
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
is working on that for you in a sense, is working on softening your heart again,
Hmm.
working on softening your heart again. Like whether or not it becomes anything else necessarily, it feels like it's like a, not a trigger. What's another word for like trigger, but like a I guess trigger, but not in a bad way. Like
Hmm.
it's softening, starting to like open that up a bit, where it feels like he was your child in another life, in the other lifetime. Feels like he was your child. So there's this great comfort and there's this great ease with each other. Yeah, I think he's helping you open your heart.
Hmm.
Because yeah, it feels like there's another man, like in this, I see like a black man, like a like kind of like a, he's got a lot of personality, and he's kind of big, but he's also got like a big personality, and he's kind of got like a like mischievous like twinkle in his eye kind of a thing. Like that's really your
I
partner.
had someone like that.
Oh, okay. Is he still alive?
I heard that he wasn't,
Oh, so maybe I wonder if that's if he's trying to come through.
but a big personality, very handsome, big person. Well, maybe he
He was
was.
good. He was good for you though. Like, and because he like, there's something about breaking your walls down, breaking
Hmm.
your walls down, breaking your walls